Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to block someone on Discord using your computer. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app, and then here you can see I opened a server, and I want you to do is to click on the member or user that you want to block and click on their profile to view their profile. And now, as you can see, the, there is a window that popped up, and I want you to do is to click on these three little lines. Three little dots, and you can see the block option. So just go ahead and click on that, and as you can see that I already blocked the user. So to unblock that user, again, just go ahead and click on his or her name, click on his or her profile, three little dots, and click on unblock. And that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.